Please kindly check the packing detail. First, put this one, then put one piece thermal glass, then another thermal glass. The thermal glass in the different types, print the different logo. Then put the accessories. Then cover the ballistic. Put it in the box. This hole is too small. It's really hard to get through. And Jacky reject to make it bigger. Then put it here. Then cover it. It's really very hard to package this packaging. It really costs much time and labor fee for packaging this one. So we couldn't accept the hook like this. We just needed the hook, the finished one like this. We couldn't like this. Please ask Jack to send the hook like this. Thank you.